Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about 5 natural ways to maintain youthful skin. So before starting this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel to join our family. When it comes to skincare goals, the word glowing seems to universally rank top of mind. So in the pursuit of a healthy, radiant complexion, we scoured the research, tapped experts, and looked to time-tested rituals to find the best of the best advice. Here, 5 proven, and natural, ways to maintain glowing skin. Number 5. Incorporate healthy fats into your diet. Healthy fats like those found in nuts, flaxseed, and avocados can help to replenish your body's ability to make healthy and strong cell membranes, which can protect against environmental damage by restoring the skin barrier. Samolitis explains. Waldorf agrees, explaining that not eating adequate healthy fats can cause the skin and hair to be dry, and increasing these fats in the diet may help in certain skin conditions characterized by excessive dryness. Other healthy fat foods to know for glowing skin include salmon, chia seeds, olive oil, and whole eggs. Number 4. Take care of your gut. Research shows that underlying gut health issues can manifest on the skin in many ways, from acne to eczema. The connection even has a name: the gut-skin axis. Overall gut health is nuanced and complex, and it's important, for so many reasons, for everyone to take the time to learn how to care for and nourish your own unique gut flora. However, for the purpose of this video, here's a general guideline. Anything that will damage your gut, sugar, processed food, may also damage your skin. Number 3. Exfoliate. I am not recommending a harsh scrub or cloth, explains board-certified dermatologist Nancy Samolitis, MD, who lists exfoliation as one of her top tips for glowing skin. Light exfoliation daily, with either a non-irritating acid cleanser or toner that dissolves dead skin cells on the surface, will lead to glowing skin. How so? Removing the outer layer of dead skin cells will help smooth skin texture, increase the absorption rate of your skincare products, and brighten up your complexion. Number 2. Try supplementing collagen. The most abundant protein in your body, and your skin, is collagen, and, unfortunately, our natural reserves of this essential protein deplete as we age. Collagen supplements are chock full of amino acids, which has been shown to promote our hair, skin, and nail health. By ingesting the hydrolyzed collagen peptides, the supplement is absorbed by the body, and can support the skin's cellular renewal process, stimulating our cells' fibroblasts, or what makes collagen, and elastin in the body, thereby promoting a healthy, glowing, firm complexion. Number 1. Use a safe, mineral-based sunscreen daily. A clean, mineral-based SPF should be applied daily, all year round. Ultraviolet radiation is unequivocally carcinogenic, explains board-certified dermatologist Heidi Waldorf, MD. If you don't care about cancer, think vanity. UV rays are the primary cause of the texture and color changes of skin aging. To protect your skin, Waldorf recommends using a mineral-based sunscreen. Look for active ingredients like zinc oxide, or titanium dioxide, that is SPF 30 or higher, and applying it as the final step in your skincare routine every morning. Because mineral sunscreen is a physical barrier, it should be applied as the last step, before makeup. Any skincare actives you try to apply after won't penetrate. Comment below and let us know, what do you think about our list? If this video was helpful, please like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.